Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and in this week's video we're going to have a really productive day in the kitchen. You guys can come along with me and I'm going to clean and organize the crazy refrigerator and get started on some sourdough bread and have some lovely chowder and roll for dinner. Get ahead on some salads, making them, and making some homemade almond milk. So come on with me in this week's video and let's get started. Chuck loves the day that I make sourdough bread, so today is that day. And today I'm just using the Bob's Red Mill Artisan flour, and usually I use like a blend from a local person who grinds their own flour, but today this is what I'm going with. You guys gotta help me. I never let my refrigerator go, and it is absolutely crazy. We went grocery shopping, everything just got stuffed in there. So you can give me a hard time in the comments, that's okay. I deserve it. It needs some love. Well, this bag is going up to Thai food, so I'm not gonna regret this. Beats anyone? Anyway, stay tuned. There is a lot of healthy stuff in here, at least. Weightlifting. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Maybe you guys do this, but if I get parsley or cilantro, I put it in a jar and with some water, and then I put it in a Ziploc bag, and it keeps a lot longer that way, in case you haven't tried it. I know I showed you guys these before, but I got these at Walmart, and they're stackable. So if you can find any kind of containers that stack, that's really helpful. So probably going to be using some of these today. Now, since I am getting the refrigerator all organized, I went ahead and I'm putting together 4 salads. I usually like to do 4 salads at a time, that way they stay fresh. I like to get these shredded, pre-shredded carrots because they work so good in salads or really quick recipes that you need carrots for. I had to make a pit stop to work on the sourdough. So every 2 hours I do these stretches. Throughout the day. I've been having fun hanging out with you guys, cleaning out the refrigerator and making these salads and making sourdough bread at the moment. So now I'll have these salads ahead that I can be eating and stay on track. And if you follow me over on Mom Lincoln Dawn of Cooking on Instagram, I've been posting lots of salad recipes if you want to check them out over there. I'm gonna make a really quick and easy chowder with just some onion and celery and potatoes. I have a little piece of salmon left over, but you could totally just make, and I'm gonna add corn, so you could totally make it just a corn chowder. And since I cleaned out the refrigerator, I just am using stuff that I had. So that's one thing that you can do on your day of cleaning up the refrigerator. Just gather up some ingredients, make a quick soup and some salad, and you're good. The last thing on my to-do list for today was to make some homemade almond milk. So I went ahead and soaked 1 cup of almonds. I like to do that and remove the skin, so it makes it a lot easier when you go to strain it at the end. So let's get started and make some homemade almond milk. I ended up having to blend it in 2 batches because my blender wasn't quite big enough. And now I have a nut bag, and it's really fine so that it strains out, any particles, and so you have a nice smooth milk. You can get these on Amazon, and they're nut bags. Now if you want, you can add just a little bit of vanilla.